Other ways we can draw objects in Inventor is by just going along and drawing the part and adding our dimensions later. So for example, these stairs here, we can draw the general shape and add the dimensions in later to get everything locked into place. So to do that, we just start our new part, start a 2D sketch, and choose the plane we want to draw it on. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to choose the line tool, and I'm going to draw the shape that I am after for my part. Now I'm not going to enter any dimensions here. I'm just going to draw what looks about right. Right, there we go. I've drawn my object with 3 stairs. Now to put this in the correct dimension, what we're going to do is use the dimension tool in the sketch ribbon. Click on that, and in this case it's quite simple. Just click on the line that you want to dimension, drag it off the part, and enter the dimension that you want. It's important to always start with the larger dimensions and work down smaller. If we set the dimension of these stairs first, we might have got some unwanted results. So play around with it until you get things in the right order and shape that you require. And so there we have it. I've now dimensioned it correctly and it's in the right shape that I need. There you have it. I've now dimensioned my part completely and it's ready to be extruded and turned into a part.